Hello, guys. This is Gold Sniper here, and let's begin our analysis of XAUUSD for 18 July 2023. Now, before we begin our analysis, let's begin with our routine of what analysis we made for today, that was yesterday. Okay, and the plan, we'll go through the plan which I made and shared in my Telegram channel. So, let's go through that first. I had said on 16th that gold has been consolidating for last 2 days between 1965 and 1955, and that has been correct. If you will see, last 2 days gold was some in the range of like 1960 to 1955 to 1965. It was consolidating. Okay, now after that I said longer term trend, that is on daily chart, it is bullish because gold had given a breakout above a channel, 2 months long channel. Okay, we were in a downward sloping channel for last 2 months, and gold has finally given a breakout above that. I had also told you that on 4 hour and 1 hour chart, gold has formed a lower low. Okay, buyer made many attempts to break out the resistance of 65, but it never happened. Okay, then I told you that on Sunday, China's industrial production data, you need to see how it impacts, okay, dollar index, gold, and other currencies. And then I told you, as per my analysis, we will attempt layer selling between 60 to 65 for targets of 1955, 1950, and lastly 1945. Ironically, this came true. Okay, then this part, this 40-50 pips I had said on the sell side. Okay, this actually gave more than like 200 pips move. Okay, on gold. And then again, I told you, if gold comes near 1945 to 40, definitely enter again on the buy side. Now see what happened today. Now we'll go what that interesting example what happened. So today morning, first thing is gold, when it opened, came right at 1951. Okay, immediately buying came, gold went to 1955, again came back to 1951 range. Okay, again from here buying came, gold went to 1950, almost 1957, came back crashing to the same range again. Okay, so I had this second attempt, I had bought here and I had exited my position here. But when the gold came towards here the third time na, and it started going up, I thought that, it might give a breakdown from here now, and somewhere around here, around 1954, I had shorted. Okay, and my SL was 1957. Exactly somewhere around 1957, the operators hit my stop loss, and then gold came down a little after that, but gold went and hit its target of 1960. So if you will see, in my Telegram channel, I had given this trade, and that trade was successful. Okay, today morning I had given this trade, so I'll show it to you guys. Here I had, I'll show you where I had given the trade call on my telegram channel. So here, if you'll see here, at 7:51 a.m. today Indian Standard Time, I had given this trade: buy gold between 1953 to 1949, stop loss 1948, for targets of 1955 and 1960. And you can clearly see almost we touched 1960. Okay, from there you see the second our analysis sell call triggered, which was somewhere, which I told you over here, somewhere around 1960 to 65. So almost 1959, you can say you could have taken an entry, at least one layer you could have managed to enter. And from there, if you will see the targets, all these three targets came. If I'll show you the chart of gold. Okay, see from here, 1959, see all the targets came. 1955 came, 1950 came, almost 1945 also came. Okay, and but I will tell you one thing, this was actually a planned move by the operator to hit the stop losses and grab the liquidity. So the liquidity was grabbed from this region, okay, by hunting the stop loss of retail traders, and then they turned around the market and pulled it up to 1955. Okay, and one more analysis came, right, which I told you that, we can make a buying attempt. So here I had told, if gold it comes between 1945-40 range, definitely will enter on the buy side. And if you will see, if you entered here on the buy side around this region, again you would have got a very decent 50 to 100 pip move. So overall, our analysis is working and it is going fantastic so far. Okay, so that's what I wanted to conclude first of all. Now let's go what we can do for tomorrow. So for going tomorrow, we'll just see, on a daily chart. If you will see on the daily chart, gold has formed a sort of doji candle. Now, a doji candle tells you it's basically like an indecision sort of candle. Price opened here, price made a high, then it made a low, sorry, price opened here, it made a high over here, it made a low here, and now it is returned to the same place where it started. Okay, so usually after a doji candle you have a decisive up move or a down move. So if in the past, if you'll see on the daily chart, this was a doji candle. Okay, and see after that gold gave an up move. Again, more examples. This was a doji candle, gold gave an up move. This was a this also this is not a doji, this is a like a, this is also a type of doji, but not this type of doji. Okay, which is like an indecisive candle. Okay, so see here also, this we can say a doji occurred and then the down move came, doji occurred, up move came, doji occurred, up move. Okay, so this is what it is. So tomorrow there is a possibility, more likely so, that we will break on the upside rather than the downside. This candle, shows that the, I will shift to the 4 hours, that the pullback is now successfully completed. Okay, that price, after such a big up move, it has completed pullback. So if you will see after this, after gold made such a huge up move, gold has, completed the pullback somewhere around 1945. If I draw the Fibonacci levels for you guys over here, you will see that gold reached very close to the golden Fibonacci number of 0.618. After retracing, it again went back up. Okay, so the retracement is complete. Now gold can easily give a further upside targets. So what could be the potential upside targets for that? You can simply do is take the Fibonacci tool. Okay, and we can use this Fibonacci trend based Fibonacci extension tool. So if you will see, I'll shorten the time frame here. So previously, this was the swing high. Gold made a low here, and it currently uh, so sorry, this is the bearish scenario I'm telling. It's not supposed to be used this way. The other way it is supposed to be used. So the recent swing low was here. This was the high. Now it's making a pullback. We need to see from where the pullback is coming. Will it come from 1950 or 55? If let's say this pullback is coming from somewhere like here, 1952, 53, three levels. Okay, then your targets on the upside come around the 0.618 level, will be somewhere around 1960. But let's say if gold pulls back, not here, but let's say pulls back till 1950 levels. Okay, so if that happens, then your targets on the upside will be 1956, 1958 and all. Okay, so these are the targets on the upside. Right now the trend has become a bullish. On the hourly, if you will see, it has formed a Wyckoff sort of spring also, and then reverse. So right now it is still bullish. Okay, so if it comes near any support, you can buy. Okay, so our strategy for tomorrow will be buy on dips. If gold comes near 1950, we will buy. If gold closes above 1955, then to definitely buy. Okay, for target of 1960 and 1965. Okay, so and so like I said, tomorrow's our strategy is buy on dips, as well as other than that, let's see what all some news factors there which can, hamper our analysis for tomorrow. So let's check the economic calendar. So on the economic calendar, if you will see for tomorrow, okay, so you have the most important data coming at around like that is core retail sales. Okay, which is going to come tomorrow 8:30 uh, p.m. Sorry, 8:30 a.m. I think. Is this a.m.? Yeah, this is 8:30 a.m. So morning only we have a very big data coming, which is the core retail sales and the retail sales data. Okay, so morning itself we can have very huge volatility tomorrow. Then we have the CPI data of core CPI of Canada, still very important data. And then after that, yeah, so these are the two important datas which will be coming tomorrow morning. Okay, market is going to be very volatile, so be careful. Okay, so that's my analysis for tomorrow. We will be buying on dips. The strategy we will be using is buy on dips. Okay, and if you guys want, you see, I'll be sharing my trading plan on exclusively on my Telegram channel. So if you want that trading plan and you want to trade live with me, I mean, you want me to give you trades, then please join my Telegram channel. It will be mentioned in the description of my video below. Okay, so please click on it and join my Telegram channel. If you like this video, if this video is adding value, okay, it is helping you out, then definitely please like my video, because it helps me to get more views and it helps me to help other people also. um, do subscribe my channel as well. Thank you once again.